Hi there, students. Okay, in this video I wanted to look at a couple of peculiarities with the word age. Is it aged or aged? And the other question is, how do you spell aging? Well, if you look in internet for the spelling of aging, you will find aging and aging. So which is correct? Well, I think they're both correct. I think you will find it with the E much more commonly than without the E. With the E, it's a British spelling. I think without the E, it's an American spelling, and I think aging, aging, is slowly becoming more common. I know the rule says when you add ing to the end of a word, which ends in E, then you drop the E. But in this case, it's optional. Okay? So you can use both, but I'd recommend aging. That's probably because I'm British. Now, let's look at the other question. Is it aged or aged? Well, these two words have different meanings. So firstly, aged, of a specific age, has lived for a specific period of time. A child aged 6. We're looking for workers aged 25 to 40. He is middle-aged. Okay? So that's one meaning of aged. The other meaning of aged is matured by allowing time to pass. So, for example, this whiskey has been aged in oak barrels for 20 years. It's been allowed to sit and mature and become better. After the cheese is made, it is aged for 6 months to give it a mature, tangy flavour. So it's to let time pass for something, particularly food, for it to improve. Okay? Now we have the word aged. Aged means very old. My aged aunt, who is 92, who is aged 92, my aged aunt, who is aged 92, lives alone. Okay, she's very old, aged. The most aged animals in the herd are hunted by predators, the oldest. There's a charity called Help the Aged, help old people. This is a care home for aged military personnel. My car may be aged, but it still works well. My aged computer is dying on me. Okay, so aged, of a specific, having lived a specific period of time, or aged as a past participle, allowing time to pass for something to mature. It's 10 years since I've seen this young man, and he has aged significantly. He's become more mature and knows how things work much better. So let's just recap. Aging you can spell both ways. Something that is aged has an age 6, middle-aged, or time has been allowed to pass. Whiskey aged in oak casks. And then aged, very old. My aged parents need help. Okay? And notice both aged and aged, these are neutral formality, so you can use them any way you want. I think maybe I'm going to have to replace my aged camera. It's getting old. Okay? So, I hope that made things clear for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Aged. Aging. Aged.